use my rock climbing skills. Okay. Okay. Let me get closer. Okay. Okay. Should I let you move it more, or is that as far as it goes? No, I think that's it. Okay, that's it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I gotta. They call it what's that called? I forgot the name of it. Smear. You have to smear your foot on the wall. If you have no grip, you have to smear your feet. It's like smearing it. So I gotta try that right now. Okay.
Which window are you coming in?
The middle one?
Okay.
It's the only one I can open. 1, 2, 3. Oh man. Okay. Yeah. Woo, April. Oh man.
The Adventures of the Weimar Dorm. This is what you do if you lock yourself out of your room.
All I see is your head. April, you're the best. Thank you. Ooh, this is awesome. Okay, so let me help you put that up. I made it!